Polycythemia vera in few points. Polycythemia vera is myeloproliferative neoplasm having BCR-ABL negativity, and there are WHO criteria. There are three major criteria. And one minor criteria. Three major criteria. Number one criteria is dealing with your CBC finding like hemoglobin, then or hematocrit or RBC volume more than 25%, hemoglobin more than 16.5 gram per deciliter in male and 16 gram per deciliter in female, or hematocrit more than 49% in male and more than 48% in female. So hemoglobin, hematocrit and RBC volume. Second major criteria is dealing with the bone marrow finding. There is a hypercellularity with respect to the age or trilineage hyperplasia or panmyelosis. Along with the important thing here is pleomorphic megakaryocytes. Pleomorphic megakaryocyte and hypercellularity of the bone marrow. And number three criteria is JAK2 mutation, and number one minor criteria is erythropoietin, subnormal erythropoietin. So these are major and minor criteria. Now phases are pre-polycythemic, then overt or spent phase. What happens in polycythemia vera? RBC, WBC, platelet, all are going to increase, but there is a more and more RBC overproduction. WBC also increase, platelet also increase, but there is a overproduction of the RBC. So depending on the stage, if it is pre-polycythemic, then they just start to overproduce. So there is a mild increase in the three lineage, and overt phases there is a full-fledged case of the polycythemia vera. So more and more RBC with increased WBC and platelets, so panmyelosis is there. And here important thing is 0 to 1 grade fibrosis, and in the spent phase it is all dealing with the fibrosis. So all cell lineages are going to decrease, RBC decrease, WBC decrease and the platelet decrease. So all lineages are going to decrease. Now how do we diagnose the polycythemia vera? By three things: hematological picture, then bone marrow, hematology especially of the peripheral blood, then bone marrow, and third thing is mutation or genetic status. In hematology, we have to see what is the status of the RBC, WBC, platelet. I already told you there is a more and more RBC is there along with the WBC and platelet. In the bone marrow is a hypercellular with this pleomorphic megakaryocyte, and the mutation there is a JAK2 mutation. So depending on the what is the phase, so we will diagnose it. And the mutation burden means in polycythemia vera the mutation burden is highest when we will compare with the primary myelofibrosis or ET. So in ET there is a mutation burden of JAK, because in all the three, these are the myeloproliferative neoplasm, all these three are MPN. So among all these three MPN, mutation burden is highest in the case of the polycythemia vera and lowest in the essential thrombocythemia. So the prognosis is good in the case of the essential thrombocythemia, while bad in the. What are the clinical features? Clinical features are related with the thrombosis or hemorrhagic event, like it can occlude any vessels, artery, vein or microvessel. So thrombotic as well as hemorrhagic event, or other symptoms are like weight loss, splenomegaly and pruritus. Pruritus is after taking warm water bath because of the histamine after degranulation. And diagnosis is, and for the treatment we want to reduce the RBC count, load of the RBC. For this we do phlebectomy or antiplatelet drug like anagrelide or likewise, or we want to reduce the uric acid, so allopurinol are given. Now I want to tell you what is true polycythemia or absolute polycythemia or reactive. this is the normal test tube. In this there is in this lower portion this is RBC, and the upper portion there is a plasma. So you can compare. Here the RBC are equal, but the plasma is going to decrease. So when there is because of the decrease in the plasma, there is a false reading of there is a increase in the RBC. So here there is no true increase in the RBC concentration or RBC, but because of the decrease in the plasma volume, it appear like there is a RBC concentration is high. So this is relative polycythemia, but here you can see apparently RBC are increased. So this is true polycythemia. True polycythemia, again two type, primary or secondary. Likewise, thank you very much.